Hello, I am catching a jumping spider that's on that leaf.
Where's the jumping spider?
Oh, this one is a very common one. The orange one. Eh, this is very common. What is it?
It's behind the tree.
Is it behind?
Yeah.
Where? I don't see it.
Yeah, it's jumping.
Oh, there. Yeah, I see it. There, here.
She got it?
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
gone.
man, I lost it. Hi guys, my friends. I am so sorry I haven't made a video. But this will change because I am going to make a video right now about catching spiders. Okay, now we are going to catch whatever we see. Incredible spiders, magnificent lizards, and any other bugs. Come on, let's go. Alright, we have encountered a squirrel on this house side.
Let's go. Run there. Go show them. Where's the squirrel? Oh, there.
There.
What is the squirrel doing there?
The squirrel is somehow looking at the birds on a drain. Near the drain. Oh, they're fast.
It's gone?
Yeah, you can react. It was gone in a flash. Come on, let's go find some other ones.
What do you see?
Another squirrel right there. I know it's camouflage, so do you want to take a closer look? There, it just jumped. Alright, it's on the other side of the tree now. So that means that squirrels are very common in this area. So, but we are here to find spiders, so never mind. We'll catch anything we see if we're fast enough to catch it. Come on then. There's a giant deer, guys.
Wow.
In Yishun. This is so unusual. Look at it.
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah.
Wah, wah, wah. Now. Okay, we have made an interesting discovery. We see an egg sac of a spider here.
Alright, it's an egg of spider.
That means there must be a spider that we don't know about around here. Come on, let's find that spider.
So this is the spider.
What spider? I don't see any. Oh, that spider. That's so small.
Is it lynx?
There, did
Okay.
it.
Alright, put in the
Oh,
box straight away.
no, wait. Well, this guy is so dirty. Oh, it's so. Oh, just get in.
Tap it, tap.
Okay, we have got our first spider. You can see through here.
Where?
Doesn't look like a lynx though. What? What did I call a lynx? A lynx looks like a green spider.
How do you call this one then?
I guess this is yellow. Alright then. We have discovered our first spider and our first lizard. If you can see it, it's blue right there. You can see it from here. Look here. Right here. There. You can see that the outer is the outer body right there. So I need to cross over to the other side.
Lower. Yeah. Go squat. Squat, squat, squat. Ah, it's moving. It moved. It already moved. Come on, just now, right? I forgot about it. The weird stuff.
Okay guys, this is the place where we will catch spiders. Because this is like the perfect habitat for all the spiders, like almost all the species that live in Singapore. So let's search for them before Monday. So yeah. Huh?
Three grasshoppers.
That's what it does. Here we have the crocodile.
Okay, got it.
Alright, Daddy is about to catch the lizard that's up there. Well, he's gonna throw the slipper at it. He's called a lucky slipper. Oh. Get it?
It moved before.
Oh.
It moved before I threw it.
Okay. Okay, we see another lizard and I'm about to catch it right now.
You're so fast. I didn't even get to take a video of it.
Mission
It's a female and
complete.
it's pregnant.
Really?
Can I saw? Can I see?
Yo, I ran so fast to catch it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this I guess this is the end of the video. But we will make another one. So subscribe and like it. Bye.